To a primetime news follow-up now. Member of Parliament for South St. James, Nikeisha Burchell, says she has no intention of apologizing to Speaker of the House, Juliet HOLNESS. This despite backlash after Burchell likened Mrs. HOLNESS's oversight of parliamentary proceedings to that of a controlling wife. Shamela Pullen reports.
A day after three government parliamentarians condemned remarks made by a PNP MP for South St. James, Nikeisha Burchell, as rude and inappropriate, Ms. Burchell is hitting back. Foreign Affairs Minister Kamina Johnson-Smith, Finance Minister Favour Williams, and State Minister in the Ministry of National Security, Juliet Cuthbert-Flynn, criticized Ms. Burchell for what they described as disgraceful remarks directed at House Speaker Juliet HOLNESS. In an interview, Ms. Burchell said Ms. HOLNESS exhibited controlling tendencies similar to women who dominate their husbands.
When I sought to share my experience working with the current speaker, it wasn't a personal attack.
For that, Ms. Burchell says she will not apologize to Mrs. HOLNESS.
I did not speak to the speaker and her marriage. I made two analogies in my interview, and this was not in Parliament. In my interview, I made two analogies. I said, there's a distinct difference between maintaining order in Parliament and controlling. One can control in the way school marms control schoolyards. One can control how you control at home, be it with your husband, your children, whomever. That was the extension of the analogy. However, control has no place in Parliament where adults were elected by their constituents and sent to represent them as equals.
She also responded to statements made by government MPs regarding the controversy.
When I see the orchestra arranged with three women from the government benches, taking the time away from their busy, hectic portfolios. We have the Minister of Finance. You hardly hear her. We have our foreign affairs person with all the turmoil we have going on in policy. And then there's Juliet Cuthbert. I'm not sure what she does. But when you have these three women leaving their substantive portfolios to be used as pawns in a written script, written mostly, maybe, by their male directors, to come out and parrot something that they didn't even watch the full clip.
And Ms. Burchell insists that she will not be silenced. Shamela Pullen.
When them a watch and when them a chat, me walk out from them and make sure turn me back. I say, chat to me back, chat to me back. And this a body that a girl can knock.